so I'm actually a little bit tipsy from the shoot. Mind the mess behind me, but I wanted to quickly do a little mini haul with you guys. So I received a bunch of packages recently and I wanted to just share these brands with you. I have a couple indie brands and then I have some other brands, so I wanted to come on here and just show you the stuff that I've recently been sent. Yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so the first brand that I wanted to talk about is a brand called the Tooth Closet. I'll put the links to all the brands down below. They sent me this bustier top, so it just looks like this. It has padding in the boob part and then it has ribbing. I think it's called ribbing. It literally holds everything in place, so this is kind of like a corset or like bustier type top. They also sent me this sweater, so it's just a Scooby-Doo sweater. Scooby-Doo was poppin' back in the day, but what I love about this is the color. I love burgundy on my skin tone. I just wore it with some biker shorts and my hair was half up, half down. This is in a size small and the small fits me almost like a medium, so it's nice. It's not too tight and it's not too loose or baggy. The next item I have is from a brand called the Villain Collection. It's just a hoodie, drawstring hoodie, and it just says the Villain Collection on it and has a little pink character on the side here. I was happy to receive both sweaters, the one from the Tooth Closet and this one, because I'm going to be wearing it a lot in the springtime when it's like chilly outside but not like cold. Definitely check them out, support. If you guys know of any other indie brands that you want me to try out, let me know, because I am always here to support. I want to support as much as possible, especially during this time. The next items that I got were the Doja Cat by PrettyLittlething collection. This skirt and then this like halter top type thing. It's a little out of my comfort zone. It's super loud. It's like bright pink, orange, white, very bright, but it's perfect for spring. And I needed something with like a little pop of color, so I was really scared when I saw this, to be completely honest, but when I actually tried it on and took pictures in it, I was like, wow, I actually love this two-piece set. For the next clothing piece that I received was this it looks green on camera, but it's like a turquoise blue. The brand is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right or if I'm butchering the name, but it's, I think, Akil Sherrier. I think I'm just gonna put it on the screen because like I'm pretty sure I'm butchering it. Cute romper for the spring, transitioning into summer. It makes your body look nice and juicy. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. Yeah, I did like this. So this is the next thing that I got, a brown jumpsuit. It goes all the way down to your ankles, and what I love about this is the sleeves. The sleeves flare out. You guys know I love a flared out sleeve. I feel like it's the nicest, like most elegant detail, especially when it comes to like crops or like jumpsuits, things that are more casual. It gives it that, like, gives it a little bit of an extra touch. I haven't actually worn this yet or taking pictures in it, but I did really like this. I didn't even tell you guys the name of the brand. So the brand is actually called Allemande Trendy, and I'll put it down below like I said. They also sent me this two-piece set, which I thought was really cute. So this is the top. It's just a cropped top and it actually comes loose, but you're supposed to tie it in the front. I love a good tie crop where you can tie it. I love the colors. It's great for, like, this would be really nice for Easter. I know Easter passed, but I would have loved to wear this for Easter with like a mint green clutch and mint green shoes. Definitely gonna wear that outfit, and I'm probably gonna pair it with those accessories when I post on Instagram. But yeah, it also comes with a Bodycon long skirt. So this one comes to about, it goes like past your knees but not completely down to your ankles. It's more form-fitted, so it shows your shape. I thought this was really cute and definitely up my alley. Something that's like pretty, but at the same time it shows your shape, and at the same time you look elegant. So that's my style. So I'm excited to actually wear this out, because sometimes when I take photos and things, I don't actually wear them until like later on, especially now that we're in a pandemic. Like, where am I wearing them? All right, so this brand is called Shop Gen Love on Instagram. So they just sell a bunch of loungewear. So they sent me this 2-piece set. So it just comes with these high-waisted booty shorts, and they just have tongues, lips and tongues on them. Cute. And then it also comes with this like cropped tank, almost like a sports bra. Yeah, what am I trying to say? Yeah, so it's almost like a sports bra, but it's like a crop top, and then it comes with the shorts. Very cute, perfect for summer, perfect for like a casual day. I love the colors that they actually chose. It makes my complexion stand out. So yeah, definitely check out Shop Gen Love. They have a bunch of other little cute sets like this. They have onesies, they have like loungewear, they have nightwear. All right, so the final items that I wanted to come in here and show you are from Amiclubwear. You guys know I've collaborated with them previously before, but this time they actually came out with their spring summer collection. Wow, spring summer. Their spring swim collection. So they sent me a couple pieces from their spring collection that just came out. So I wanted to come in here and show you guys those. I might be able to show you pictures of some of them, all of them except for this one. Yeah, this one actually, like, it fits, but it's a little tight, so I didn't really get content in this. But basically it's like a one-piece black and lime green or fluorescent green bathing suit. It has a lime green zip, padding in the boob area, and then it has cutouts on the side. This is like, I saw this online and I was like, it's so like sexy but still like reserved at the same time. So I really liked the idea, or like the design of this bathing suit. The next bathing suit that I have is this 2-piece set. So this one's probably my favorite. So it has like cutouts in the bottom, just like this. Ooh. Out there, and then you can pull them high-waisted, or you can have them kind of at your waist. I just love this color on me, and I didn't realize I love this color until I actually tried it on to get content in them. But yeah, it makes your bum look nice, but it's not too much. Like, it doesn't go all the way in your bum to where it's just like all bum. So I liked the fact that there's a little bit of coverage. But yeah, and then this is the top. So the top has padding in it as well, and it also has a cutout. I like that it gives you like a slight bit of under boob, and then it has this at the bottom, but it's super subtle, sexy, but like not giving away too much. So I really, this is my absolute favorite bathing suit. I'm probably gonna get a lot of wear out of this summer. So the next bathing suit that they sent me is this leopard one. So this one is very similar to the green one that I just sent you, except for it is like a beigey pink color and navy blue. I love wearing navy blue. I just feel like it complements my skin tone, and if you guys don't know, my favorite color is pink. So when I saw this, I was just like, this is so me. Plus, I've seen a lot of people wearing this style bathing suit recently, so I wanted to see how it would look on me. So yeah, super girly, pretty, but still sexy. I love the like scrunching in the boob part, and it does have padding in it. Just like the lime green ones, you can wear these high-waisted, or you can wear them on your waist, whatever works best for you. And finally, they sent me this like black, neon green and pink bathing suit. So this one is a padded, like they called it a padded swimsuit, because there's a lot of like padding in this area, and then there's also padding in the boob part. This one, I found that it felt a little bit small for me, but then when I put it on, I was like, maybe that's the style, to be a little bit smaller in the boob, to have less coverage in the boob area. But these are high-waisted, which you guys know I love a high-waisted anything, jeans, shorts, swimsuits. Like, I love high-waisted stuff, and I love the fact that it's black. Black is slimming, and it just makes me look bomb, makes my shape look bomb. And then I love this. I wasn't sure how I felt about it when I first tried it on, because it did seem a little bit small, but after I actually like took pictures and stuff in it, I was like, this can work for me. You guys know it's out of my comfort zone. I don't really like to show much skin, but sometimes it's nice to get a little risque, and this is probably my second favorite. Like, I don't know if I like this one or the lime green one more. let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that was the last thing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.